Hello everyone, welcome to Piyush Raj Academy. Educate for Eternity. Today we are going to share few tips on time management because a very crucial issue facing student is the problem of time management. Manage your time well, give proper importance to all the subjects, but one very important thing is to be regular and consistently follow the daily timetable. Also make sure that you revise and practice regularly. For example, suppose that you are able to put in 6 hours of your study every day. You could possibly use 3 hours of those 6 hours for your unfinished syllabus and the rest 3 hours for revising parts of what you have already covered up to that particular day. You also need proper study materials which can guide you in this subject. Lots of study materials is available in the market and also offered by academy. Switching from one book or notes to another will harm your preparation. So please don't do like this. Piyush Raj Academy believes that following guidelines given below will immensely help students to strengthen the grasp of achieving success in the examinations. Following are few basic points which must keep in mind. Distribution of number of hours to each subject should be equal. While studying, invest time in the theory and solving questions in the stipulated time. Okay. Always start from basic because without base there will be no altitude and journey of thousands mile begin with a single steps. Never prefer solutions of questions before doing self-attempt at least 5 times till you get the right answers because without following you cannot stand at once. Okay. Never leave the questions in between. There are students who practice questions without attempting it as a whole and it's a very big fault for students and it becomes their negative point sometimes. So please ignore this. Always try a question with conceptual approach, not just read the questions and then start doing without getting the point that questions is making. Your study schedule should be such that you get the time for a little enjoyment daily. Most important things is that you should be having a time schedule as well as regularity in the studies. Also you will have to take appropriate sleep or rest at least 6 to 7 hours a day. Do not get into the bad habit of studying late into night. Instead, get up at 6 a.m. in the morning and sleep by 11 p.m. at night. This will keep your brain activity maximum in the morning and will help you when you actually attempt any questions. Never cram the things. Always try to understand the problems by studying the theory conceptually. Always be confident while you are preparing. Never lose confidence. Always be confident. हमेशा confident रहना है, ठीक है. Confidence के साथ कोई work करना है. Always keep contact with intelligent students of your class or at the coaching center. Always keep the copy of latest syllabus of the particular exam. Always check the syllabus before starting a new topic. Always study everything with great interest, otherwise it will be of no use. So whatever you are studying, that must be started with great interest. अगर इंटरेस्ट नहीं होगा तो देर विल बी ऑफ नो यूज ऑफ दैट टॉपिक. ओके. अगर कोई बोलता है कि तुम्हारी तैयारी कैसे चल रही है, इसका आंसर बताओ, मैं तुम्हें चेक करता हूँ, ये गलत तरीका है. हम इन चीज़ों में ना पड़े. हम अपने ऊपर विश्वास रखें कि जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं उससे बढ़िया कुछ नहीं हो सकता. कभी ये नहीं सोचना है कि उसने क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा, उसका आंसर देने में हम लग गए. हम अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को ना गिराएं. जो हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस है उसे बूस्टअप रखें, अपने बारे में पॉजिटिव सोचें और पॉजिटिव ही बोलें। जिस दिन आपकी क्लास होती है उस दिन आप 7 से 8 घंटा निकालिए और संडे को कम से कम 12 घंटे निकालिए। अगर ऐसा करने में आप सक्षम हैं, अगर ऐसा आप कर पाएंगे तो ये तपस्या आपको न जाने कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँचा सकती है। रात में सोइए और दिन में पढ़ाई करिए। साइंस कहता है कि दिमाग की नस दिन में बहुत अच्छे तरीके से काम करती है। बहुत सारे बच्चे बोलते हैं कि सर हम दिन में ही पढ़ ही नहीं पाते हैं, दिन में पढ़ ही नहीं पाते हैं, 3 बजे रात तक पढ़ेंगे और फिर सो जाएंगे। जब आप किसी कंपनी में जाएंगे तो ऐसा नहीं करेंगे, नहीं बोलेंगे, क्योंकि वहाँ आपको पैसे मिल रहे होंगे और सुबह 7 बजे उठकर टाई लगाकर ऑफिस पहुँच जाएंगे। लेकिन यहाँ पर नखरे हैं आपके, बिना रात खराब किए स्पॉन्टेनियस तरीके से पढ़िए, क्योंकि सिलेक्शन होना एक स्पॉन्टेनियस प्रोसेस है। केमिस्ट्री कहती है कि जिस प्रोसेस में स्टेबिलिटी बढ़ती है वो प्रोसेस क्या होता है, स्पॉन्टेनियस। अगर स्पॉन्टेनियस प्रोसेस है तो क्या होगा, डेल्टा जी नेगेटिव होगा। और डेल्टा जी नेगेटिव कब होगा, जब आप नेचुरल तरीके से ग्रो करेंगे। नेचर कहता है कि आप दिन में पढ़ाई करें परफेक्ट तरीके से, टाइम को यूटिलाइज करें, शो ऑफ मत कीजिए कि मैं इतना घंटा पढ़ाई की। जीतने की इच्छा सभी में होती है, लेकिन जीतने के लिए तैयारी करने की इच्छा बहुत कम लोगों में होती है। सो पीयूष राज अकेडमी is structured on the principle of consistency and hard work and believes in scientific approach based on perfect planning and proper guidance. A student's overall development and a splendid success is our prime concern. Our success is our identification. We genuinely believe in hard work, and if you are ready to work as hard as we do, then success is waiting for you too. Here is an opportunity to improve your knowledge, ability, self-confidence and external learning, honesty and diligence in our Piyush Raj Academy. That's all for today. Have a nice day to you all. I will meet you in next video. If you like this video, then please do subscribe our channel, like, share for more updates. Thanks again for watching our videos.